Hello curious people. Today in history in just 1 minute. 26 February 1802, Victor Hugo, a poet, novelist, and dramatist who was the most important of the French Romantic writers, was born. 1928, Fats Domino, American singer and pianist, a rhythm and blues standout who became one of the first rock and roll stars, was born. 1928, Ariel Sharon, Prime Minister of Israel, was born in Palestine. 1932, Johnny Cash, American musician, was born in Kingsland, Arkansas. 1954, Recep Tayyip Erdoğan, President of Turkey, was born in Turkey. 1971, Erykah Badu, American rhythm and blues singer, was born in Dallas, Texas, U.S. 1993, the World Trade Center in New York City was bombed in an act of terrorism, and Islamic radicals were later convicted for the crime. Thank you for watching us.